If you are looking for a great dash cam, you're gonna want to check this out. This is by FocuWay. This is what it looks like right here. So we have the front over here, and then we have the other cam over here. This is gonna pop up. You're gonna take this off, put it right in your dash, and you are good to go. This does come with a SIM card right over here. And to pull this, push that in or out, you're just going to use that. This is the mic, so you can turn the mic on or off if you want to. Then you have a PM and an AP right over here. This is your open or close. So if you didn't want to record, you could just put that down if you wanted to. There's also an app that goes with this. So if you had this in your car, you could see if anyone's in your car, by your car. You could literally just open the app. This thing comes with everything you need. You have this over here. We got this mount over here. Really easy user guide. Comes with everything you need to even install it, and a really easy diagram. So if you're looking for a great dash cam to either record while you're driving or keep your car from safe and all that good stuff, definitely check this out. And thanks to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.